Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted files and folders in Microsoft OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. Muchosas, first open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and your recycle bin where deleted items are temporarily kept. After you sign in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. Your browser will automatically redirect you to your OneDrive dashboard, where you can see all your files, folders, and various storage options. This is your main workspace where all your cloud storage happens. Now, to restore those deleted files and folders, direct your attention to the left-hand menu of your OneDrive dashboard. You'll notice several navigation options listed there, and among them, you'll find the Recycle Bin option. This is where OneDrive temporarily stores all the files and folders you've deleted, giving you a chance to recover them before they're permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Recycle Bin. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a complete list of all the deleted files and folders within your OneDrive. These items are organized so you can easily browse through them and find exactly what you're looking for. You'll be able to see file names, deletion dates, and other details that help you identify the items you want to recover. Now, restoring your deleted files is quite straightforward. Simply click on the file or folder you wish to restore. You can select multiple items at once if you need to recover several files, which makes the process even more efficient. Once you've selected your items, look at the header part of your screen. You'll see an action button appear there with various options. From the action menu, simply click on Restore. After clicking, OneDrive will process your request and restore your deleted files back to their original file directory. This means the files will return to exactly where they were before you deleted them, maintaining their original folder structure and location. The restoration happens quickly, usually within seconds, and that's all there is to it. You've now recovered your deleted files from OneDrive's recycle bin and returned them to their proper location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.